Hi, Bruce from Safiery, and if you're following us on our lifestyle kits, what we're looking at here is our test shell that we've got here, which is going to go into that LC200 there. And we've got this set up here. This is ready to glue. This is using a special composite. And guess what the weight of this system is? Now, in marine ply, this comes in at around 80 kilos for just the base, plus all the slides. 25.6 kilos, 25.6. And so what we're adding into it now is the Bushman upright fridge that you see there is going in the drawers. Have a look on our website. We've mocked up the layout of it. This is going to be ready for demo next week. All the electrical goes in the back here, water tank down here, and that just sits in the back of the LC200. Folks, this is an incredible weight reduction. How good is that?